Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a pretty special video for me today, guys. The good people over at Monument Grills reached out to me once again to do an honest review of their brand new and improved the Mesa 325. Very new and very trendy looking grill. Let me show you what's going on with this. I've been using this grill for a while, and I feel I can give an honest opinion of it, show you what I like and what I dislike about this grill. So let me show you what's going on with it. There she is in all her glory, folks. I tell you what, that to me is very trendy looking. I love that black color to it. They make a stainless version of this as well, but I just really like that black, and it really jumps out. It's kind of got that old retro style. You can't see it right now, but there's lights on the handle just like the previous one. And I'll flash a night picture up here. It actually turns red when it's on, and the lights, burners that are off, stay white. Yeah, but I just like the overall look of this thing. Kind of got that old school retro look to the lid and everything. So yeah, let's take a closer look. One of the new features in this grill is their new clear view technology on their glass. Their older ones have a glass view, but I tell you what, it's pretty hard to clean. This one's a little dirty because I've been using this grill quite a bit. What I found is to help keep it clean is come in underneath with a damp paper towel every time you use this, and preferably while it's still warm in here, and just wipe it down with that damp paper cloth. That goes a long ways in helping keep this thing clean. I haven't done a thorough cleaning on this yet, but you can still see in there and see your food on this. But I think that's going to be very good in keeping that clear view. It's nice to be able to look in and see your food cooking. Another upgraded feature to this grill is compared to the older grill, which had a nice little stainless steel construction, this is a cast aluminum design, and I tell you what, it helps keep it warmer, and heat control inside there is much better than the old stainless steel. So that's another new feature that they come out with on this, and I think it looks beautiful on this grill. Another upgrade, and I believe it is a good upgrade. The older grill had your thermometer in the dead center of the glass here. They've moved it up top, giving you even more view space of your food inside the grill. And I like that they moved the Monument logo from down here, where it's sometimes hard to see, up here where it just stands off. I don't know if you can see that. This also comes with the 12,000 BTU side burner. Can't see the flame at the moment, but it is on. And it's light time. Again, I'll show you in the dark, when it gets darker, that light has turned red now that it's on. That heats up nicely and works just fine. Another new feature they put out on this year's the Mesa series, the older version has hooks for utensils and everything on the right hand side. This one has it not only on the right hand side, but also moves some over here to the left hand side. Got to keep those grilling tools handy. As you can see, I've been using this, so I can testify that this is a good grill. But another feature is those grates come right out, giving easy access in here for easy cleanup, which I'll be doing soon. The coated covers here should make it nice and easy to clean up, because that's coated, should make it easy to clean, scrape off any excess and wash it. You can actually just put them in the sink if you want and wash them down. Makes that great as well. So yeah, good deal. This rack comes straight up for easy cleaning on that as well. You know, I'll tell you what, when it comes to cooking, whether it's over charcoal or on gas grill, I think heat distribution is probably the biggest issue that most people have. And this is cast iron grates, and it's perfect. Distributes the heat really well. These are coated, so cleaning is pretty easy on them. And I tell you what, you get those classic grill marks better from cast iron than any other material out there. So I really love that this feature come out with the cast iron grates on it as well. So there's that. Okay, I hope my neighbor's loud music is not copyrighted, because that could be an issue here. They've continued the trend of having this pull out drip pan. It's going to make cleaning of this so much easier. This is not a new feature on grills. It's been out for a long time. I'm so glad that Monument Grills has continued this, because you can just pull this out, scrape this off, wash it down, and you're done cleaning. That is an awesome feature on really a lot of the newer grills. And of course, another new feature, they have added a bottle opener. Nothing like a cold beer on a hot day of grilling, and although it's not that hot today, it's there. They've added a bottle opener, which I think is just cool. A nice feature to any grill, and Monument did it here, so good job, Monument Grills. Guys, I'll tell you what, I love this grill. Like I said, I've been using this grill for a little while, and I'm trying to think of some negatives to tell you. I tell you what, I've cooked this some pork chops on it. I've done some sirloin steaks on it. Turned out really good. Recently did a rack of ribs on here, man. I tell you what, they come out really good. And it was a fairly fast cook. It's a little over an hour. They were done. I'll be showing you that video here pretty soon, by the way. And I'm doing some burgers on this later on this evening for the family, so that they're going to turn out really good on here too. I just know they will. I wouldn't call it a negative on this, but if you've seen my other grills, I usually have a little bit bigger chamber, and I've struggled with temperature control on here, but I don't think that's the grill. I think that's me learning how to use the grill. Negatives, let me think. There's one thing this grill's missing, does not have yet. I'll be right back. Now it's perfect. There you have it, guys. I'll tell you what, I've really enjoyed doing this video, this nice review. That was my only negative, really. It didn't have that final mark on there. That I fixed it, everything's good. I'm sure I'll find some negatives as I use this more, but right now I can't think of a single negative really about this grill at all. So thank you, Monument Grills, for trusting me with this review. I'm really enjoying the grill, and especially that bottle opener there. Tell you what, thank you. Guys, thank you as always. More to come as we go. There'll be some more reviews as we go down the road. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.